Hi, this is Bella. If you're searching for a Hostinger Horizons coupon, discount code, or promo, you're in the right spot. I know a lot of you are always looking for real, working deals that actually save you money, especially when signing up for something new. Before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Hit like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on new tips, deals, and updates. Let's see if we can get this video to 500 likes. It really helps the channel and means I can keep bringing you more offers and walkthroughs like this. Now, let's talk about the Hostinger Horizons coupon codes. If you're going for the 1-month plan, use coupon code PROSUNHORIZONS at checkout for a discount on your paid plan. If you want to lock in a better deal for 12 months, enter discount 7 for a nice saving on the yearly plan. And if you're picking up any hosting or hosting plan, use the code PROSUN to get an extra 10% off across all plans. All the links and discount codes you'll need are right in the video description for easy access. If you have questions about which plan to choose or how to use the coupon codes, just drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Let me know if you want a full walkthrough on the sign-up process or how to apply your discount. Thanks a ton for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.